New Knowledgebase. Pronamics Knowledgebase has a fresh look and feel with a new layout and improved search functions, making it easier to find helpful articles. There is a wealth of detailed, up-to-date information about expert estimation and expert project, as well as our product download links, such as the Expert Estimation Product Selector. We update articles each time a major version of the software is released. A list of new features, enhancements and bug fixes are detailed in the release notes of every update within each product category. You can access the knowledge base via the Welcome page in the application, via our website support hub, our Getting Started page, or by going directly to knowledgebase.pronamics.com.au. Some of the benefits of the new format include straightforward alphabetical topic listing, easy search and scroll results without losing your place using the Search Pane. You can save commonly referred to articles as favorites, or print articles using the icons on the right-hand side. Here with this icon, you can view the list of your saved favorites. You can keep exploring and learning by using the drop-down menu on the left navigation pane to quickly search headings and subheadings. When you read through articles, you now have the ability on the right-hand side of the screen to clearly navigate to sections within an article quickly and easily. Click on Images for a larger, more detailed view. The image will open in a new tab in your browser. One benefit of this is you can drag and drop the image to another screen and keep it open to refer to while you use the application, or continue exploring the Knowledgebase articles. It's easy to follow internal links to other relevant articles. Just click on the hyperlinks. These will open articles in a new tab so you can keep reading the main article you are in. If you prefer the layout of the Knowledgebase homepage, click the Pronamics logo in the top left corner. You'll find every feature of expert estimation detailed, and with the new layout, relevant information is even easier to find. So head to Pronamics Knowledgebase and take it for a spin. To get the most out of it, save and bookmark the Knowledgebase in your web browser. And that's an introduction to our new Pronamics Knowledgebase. Remember, our 24/7 technical support team are also here to help you day or night, 7 days a week. Call us on 07 3481 9626.